Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog, and of course today, we'll be talking about, kasi alam ko ang dami nyo nagre-request on using the Kaskasan Buddies mobile app. And ang pinaka-different natin ngayon is, syempre gagawin natin siyang step-by-step. I'll introduce to you how you're going to look and download and use that app for your advantage as well. And syempre, before anything else, I wanna thank you talaga na, syempre, lahat kayong Kaskasan Buddies, talagang the community is the main reason why we do it, why we create it, and we remain na libre pa rin siya with your support talaga. And that's one thing that, syempre, more and more, definitely spread it out to your friends, families, kung paano nila gamitin yon. And I will be showing it to you step by step kung paano yung gamitin, and then we can also have it by chapters para makita nyo, okay, how will you use the app for your advantage. Okay. So, I have the app. Pwede mo siya i-download for Apple App Store and meron rin siya sa Google Play Store. So guys, worldwide, pwede mo gamitin for these two kinds of phones. Yung mga iPhones nyo or for Android mo. Sadly, right now, wala pa siyang Huawei App Gallery. But hopefully, let's see na lang. So right now, I'll be using my iPhone and naka-screen record naman na siya. I'll show it to you. Before you open it, and when you open your app, makita mo dito yung mga terms and overview. Your info is safe with KKB because we do not collect any of your personal information aside from when you register, email lang or and your name and then or yung Apple ID mo or your Google email. Kung naka-Apple ID ka, naka-blur rin yung mga names na yan. That's all. Whatever happens in KKB stays in KKB. We do not share your info with our partners or with the bank partners as well. Then when you apply with credit cards, diretso siya with the bank partners that we have. So wala kaming forms, wala kang i-input ng mga details, we will not share the information rin to the banks. Kasi nga guys, you have to apply for it directly. The reason there is, syempre, ayaw natin na parang magiging middleman kami to have all of your information, which we believe is not right. Kasi di ba parang, if you want to apply it, apply ka mismo. We will help guide you, we will give you all of the information that you must need or that you must know, pero diretso po talaga siya. And last but not the least, KKB app is 100% free. So when you click on I agree to the terms, you click on continue. So you can continue with your email or continue with your Apple App Store or Apple ID or your Google account. So guys, if ever ayaw mo naman mag-register, walang problema. You can also not register. You can use the app. But there are some features na hindi mo siya magagamit. It's because you have not created an account. Yun lang. So, for example, I will be connecting with Google. So, I will show you. Magpa-pop up siya na Kaskasan Buddies wants to use Google to sign in. Click on continue. And then lalabas dito yung Google sign-in page. So, dito lalabas almost all of your different email address muna. And syempre, you will choose kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin dito. So, for example, I'm going to use one of my accounts. Diba? Guys, naka-blur lang siya. Pero if ever Google, kailangan mo lang mag-log in. And then, yan, magsa-sign in ako dito. Okay? And then, so guys, nandito yung mga screen recordings natin, di ba? And then, successfully nakapag-sign in na tayo sa account. I have successfully signed in here. Makita mo dito yung homepage mo. And we start the app. So, basically, I created my own account. But if you don't have an account, walang problema. Some of the features here, most of the features, magagamit mo pa rin. Okay, so, let's begin. So, dito sa homepage mo, sa taas, makikita mo dito, Hi Jax, basically, that's my name. You can have a search function dito. You can search for mga promos and all of those. Then you also have your filter button on top of here where you can definitely look into yung mga cards mo, days of the weeks ng promos, featured banks, other banks, and then the card type that you have. Meaning, kung anong payment provider yan. Is it or scheme? Is it Visa, MasterCard, JCB? And then, on top of this, diba, sa taas mo meron ka dito KK Budget. When you look into your KK Budget, basically, ito yung expense tracker na function. We'll go through it one by one later. KK Bills mo naman is all of your bills tracker for your credit card or if ever gusto mo sa utilities mo, pwede rin siya. Then, you have KK Bayad. Ang KK Bayad is like you have a group of your friends and then pwede mo i-split yung mga payment. So, if ever lumabas kayo, kumain kayo, nag-travel kayo, may utang yung isang tao, you can use KK Bayad as a function. Then, you also have guides here. Diba? For example, these guides are mga parang yung mga cheat sheets, infographics as well. And then you have FinNet 101. So here are exclusive videos, diba? Credit card news, infographics about personal finance, advisories, partnerships of Kaskasan Buddies, business investments, topics as well that you can use to learn more about financial literacy. Then, dito sa My Money Mo is basically a quick glimpse of your total assets. This one, guys, is connected dito sa KK Budget. Diba? And then, meron siyang I button here para mag-hide siya. So, pag bukas mo yung app mo, hindi mo nakikita, hala, magkano ba yung total money mo. Then, dito sa featured is basically some banners that you can click and tap on para mag-load. So, for example, gusto ko tong credit card airline partners. Diba? When I tap on this, makita ko yung cheat sheet dito. Diba? Kung ano yung mga lounges, if ever. Okay. And then, when you scroll down, here is the big chunk of the app. Diba? Lahat ng mga promos mo dito. The categories for now is dining. Then you have cashback, mga cashback promos. Then you have news. And then you have others as well. Mga other promos na, syempre yung mga kailangan mo alam, like your fuel, mga airport lounges, yung mga ganun nandyan siya sa others. So, for the dining promos, guys, dito makikita, okay, ano bang mga merong 50% off dining? So, for example, if you wanna look at one of your dining promo, let's just see, ay, may Circles Events Cafe dito. You can tap on it, and then makita mo dito, okay, itong promo na to is nasa Circles, BPI yung card niya or yung bank niya, and then you have the promo details here, so 50% off siya sa lunch buffet, and then other details, the location, and then the link, if ever you want to go, diretso to sa bank partner link, so para guys, nandyan yung atong terms and condition. Then the eligible cards, meaning ano yung mga cards na pwede? For example, this promo, pwede siya sa BPI Black. And then the schedule, which is from 12 to 2:30 p.m., Mondays to Fridays siya. And then may promo period and the blackout period, and then you have a map here as well. O, diba? Ganun yon. So guys, you can browse through all of those different promos rin as well. And then when you hit on this map button, makikita mo rin kung diba, kung saan yung may promos niya near you. So currently, there's nothing near me. Sorry, I am traveling right now. So that's why, okay, so that's why wala siya nakikita. Pero wait lang ha, i-chop nila yun. Naka-zoom kasi ako dito. But if we, for example, nasa Manila ako, di ba? Search this area. Makita natin dito sa Manila. Di ba? Ito po siya sa Manila. So San Juan, we can click on search this area. Ayan sa mga San Juan. Ano ba yung mga promos na meron? And then afterwards, when you zoom, you can just tap on it na parang, ito, Itaewon. Tapos meron ito sa may Shaw is Domino's Pizza. Ganon siya, guys. Okay? So, those are some of the promos. You have cashback promos rin as well here. Makita mo, ay, may mga updated cashback. For example, ay, may promo si RCBC. Cashback siya on travel expense. So, nandito lahat ng mga promo details that you must know and you must, find out para mapadali ka. Okay. Now, the filter function sa taas, guys, ito, pwede mo rin i-filter kung ano mga banks yung mga gusto mong malaman. For example, meron kang BPI, then today maybe is a Wednesday. Ano mga promos meron si BPI for this Wednesdays? Show promos. So, meron siyang promos na ganito siya. For BPI lang, and then for Wednesdays. Ito yung mga promos na pwede. Ganun siya, guys. Again, that's the filter. Diba? Pwede kang Thursday, East-West, show results. Meron din. So, meron kang these restaurants there. Okay. That's how you're going to use all of these promo function, promo searches. Okay, now we move on to the card section here. Sa card sections na to, guys, dito mo makikita lahat ng mga credit cards that is in the Philippines. Currently, as of shooting this app, there are some banks that are not yet partners, but we are working on those to include. So hopefully, paglabas nitong video na to, guys, nandyan na yung partners na yan. Konti na lang yan, guys. We're waiting for your patience. There's really discussions lang there. So for example, this is a Union Bank bank natin. And then you want to know more about the Union Bank U card. So you can click on Learn More. And then dito lalabas, okay, the Union Bank U, ito yung mga features niya. It does not have a rewards program. The foreign transaction fee is magkano, di ba, i-charge sa'yo if you use the card abroad. The cross-border fee, if ever. Then, if ever may multiple payment fee ba siya? May lock card feature ba siya? Magkano yung annual fees niya? Interest rate? Ano ba yung minimum annual income na kailangan mo? And then, the hotline of the banks as well is there. Now, kung napansin mo, meron siya ditong Add to My Cards button sa baba. When you click on Add to My Cards button, meaning kasi nito is you own the card. So, when you tap on that Add to My Own Cards, di ba, makita mo pag back mo, makita mo owned, meaning you have this card in your repository. Meaning, ito yung meron kang credit card. This functionality na owned card will only work if you have an account. So guys, if you're using the app na wala kang account, hindi ka pwede mag-save ng mga cards. So for example, BPI naman, meron rin ako nitong BPI Visa Signature, di ba? Okay, I learned this is the card. I will click on add to my cards. Then makita ko sa taas, ito yung owned card ko. Meaning, I have this card. Why is this important? This is important guys na na-add mo yung card na meron ka. It is because when you go home, di ba? When you click on the filter button dito sa taas, makikita mo dito mga my cards mo. And then you can select all and then remove all of the filters and then show cards. And then dito kasi makikita mo lahat ng mga promos that is for your card. And when you tap on a promo, for example, you're browsing, guys, nakita mo dito sa promo page, congratulations, you are eligible to avail this promo. It is because you have that card in your repository or in your account. Meaning nan, ay, pwede ka nito. So it will be so much easier to browse for mga promos. Kasi guys, if ever, I'll just remove this the filter, di ba? If example, PNB, gusto ko tong restaurant, hindi mo makikita yung congratulations, you are eligible for this promo. Nakasulat dito is apply for a credit card because guys, wala ka ng credit card na yon. Okay? Yun yung parang pro tip niya doon. So this is your card function. So all of your different banks are on top here that you can just browse through. Pwede mo siya makita. You can even filter kung anong mga cards ang gusto mo dyan. You can definitely use it. And this is a good functionality rin guys for you to get to know ano ba yung mga cards na maybe you are wondering to apply. So when you browse through it, titingnan mo, okay, parang gusto ko tong card na tong China Bank Velvet Visa Signature. Makita mo yung mga promos, even yung mga rewards, cross-border fees as well, na ano, do you want this card or do you not want this card? Now, for us, yung mga direct partners ng Kaskasan Buddies, guys, when you look into the card, you can see may mga apply now buttons. If may apply now button siya, for example, the HSBC Live Plus Visa. When you click on apply now, automatic, it will bring you to the HSBC website. So, direct to bank siya. If you're going to look into the website and the link, website talaga to ng bangko. Hindi po talaga to phishing or wala kang form. Napansin nyo, walang kinokollect ng information si Kaskasan Buddies. It's the official website talaga ng bangko. So, safe na safe yung information mo. Okay, something to note here as well, guys. If you see, diba, the pictures used in these mga cards is a generic picture, the official photos of the banks. We do not, or Kaskasan Buddies, do not collect your name, your card number, your CVV, ano pa ba, expiry date, wala. Walang-wala siya. Because, guys, again, it's important for your data privacy to be kept private. So, no, Kaskasan Buddies do not collect any of those information. Kaya yung image na yan, hindi rin siya papalit to your name. It will be the generic card photo. Okay, yun yung kailangan ko lang sabihin sa inyo. Okay, so we move on to the after the card section. Yun pa yung getting to know of your different cards. For now, this is how it looks like. But we're excited to launch a new feature very soon. Hindi pa natin siya pwede i-announce, pero we're working on that as well. Okay, next things next is your KK Bills. Diba? If you click on the third icon dun sa baba. Sa KK Bills kasi guys, ang kagandahan dito is if you have an account, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Meaning, when you're going to add a bill, pwede mo ditong ilagay kung kailan due date, magkano yung due na isang credit card mo. This is how to track it, diba? If you want it na more digital, pwede mo gamitin to. So, when you go to your KK Bills, click on Add a Bill, and then click on Select Card. Yung mga cards dito is the cards that you have lang. Remember, diba, nag-select tayo, naglagay tayo ng cards. So, meron tayo Union Bank U at saka yung BPI Visa Signature. So, for example, ang BPI Visa Signature ko, total amount due ko is 10,000 pesos. The credit limit, you don't need to put it or you can also put it. For example, if ayaw mo naman, pwede mo leave blank. Then, statement date. Sabihin natin yung statement date natin is March 1. And then, ang due date natin, sabihin natin is April 1. Let's just say ganun siya. And then, you want to set a reminder, 1 day, 5 day, 10 day, 15 day, 20 days before. Ako, gusto ko 5 days before para at least ma-remind ako. Then, notes, if ever meron ka mga notes na kailangan ilagay. Kung wala naman, just click on Add Bill. And then, from here, makikita mo na meron ka nang nakita, hala, ito na yung bill ko. And then, you'll see kailan rin yung due niya. And then, guys, this one, you can also add it to your calendar. So, this one, if you're gonna add it to your calendar, it will add to your app's calendar para may reminder ka rin. Again, guys, everything will be asked permission. If you're going to add it to your calendar, magpa-pop up na, do you want to have this? Or do you want to add this to your calendar? Hindi siya automatic. Because, guys, privacy is key. Lahat siya dapat may consent mo. Okay, next, if ever, sabihin natin, binayaran na natin siya, di ba? Currently, syempre, the app kasi is not connected to any of your banking apps. So, syempre guys, manual ang pag-i-input. Sabihin natin, nag-settle ka ng bill, nagbayad ka na sa BPI app mo. Just click on Settle Bill. Then you can settle in full or partial payments. Or partial payments na you close for the month. Kasi guys, yung partial payments na to is yung, let's say, 10,000 due yan, di ba? 5,000 na binayawaran mo. If ever you paid 5,000 muna for now, gusto mo pa magbayad in the future ng 5,000 para mabuo, click on Keep Active. Pero kung 5,000 na babayaran mo and you want to be reminded the next month na, then just click on Close for month. Pero again, guys ha, remember, ayan ang kasulat namin ha, do not pay in minimum. Do not pay minimum. Dapat always pay in full. Kaya tayo, magsasettle tayo in full. And when you pay or settle in full, you will see dito sa paid mo, bayad na siya on the paid. Mamumove siya to the paid or portion of the KK bills. Okay. And then you can add more bills as time goes by. And then, guys, I'll show you the KK Budget function. Sa KK Budget, this is basically your expense tracker, diba? Or you can use it as your asset tracker. For example, when you look in your KK Budget, you can add your account dito sa taas. Sabihin mo may bank account. Sabihin mo account type dito, may bank account ka, credit card, loan, investment, or asset. So, sabihin natin may bank account tayo, and then the bank, nandito yung list ng banks na yan. Let's just say for now, meron tayong Union Bank account tayo. Sorry. Okay, sa Union Bank, sabihin natin savings account natin siya. And then the current balance mo, sabihin natin meron kang 15,000 pesos here. And then currency is Philippine pesos, and then you click on save. And then when you click back, you'll see na total assets mo is 15,000 pesos. Diba? Sabihin natin meron ka pang isang bank account. Your bank account is with BPI. Tapos sabihin natin dito is checking account mo. Dito may balance ka na 10,000 pesos. And then, click on save. So here, you'll see, now you have 25,000 total assets, and then ito yung mga bank accounts mo. Then, you can even click here your savings goal. If ever may savings goal ka, gusto mo mag-reach ng 100,000 pesos. And then, gusto mo ma-reach tong goal na to by, ayan yung month, day, year. So sabihin natin, 2026, 12/31. Gusto mo by the end of the year. And then click on create goal. And then your goal has been selected. So guys, nakita mo dito sa goals mo, di ba? Hala, 25,000 meron ka na, you're already 25% to your 100,000 goal. Okay, then, guys, you can also track your expenses by clicking on the add transaction button sa baba. Then here, meron siyang income, expense, or if ever nagta-transfer ka. So sa income, let's just say, di ba, ang income mo pumasok dito sa savings account mo worth 5,000 pesos. So dito, ang category mo is, di ba, income, salary, and then date and time, sabi mo ito lang siya, and you click on save. Meaning may pumasok kang 5,000. Let's just say, di ba, nakita mo dito, lahat pumasok na, di ba? 30,000 na yung total money mo, and then meron ka recent transaction salary pumasok. Then, let's just say, may expense ka, nag-grocery ka right now, saan ka humugot ng money na yan? Let's just say, sa savings mo, hinugot mo yung money na yan, and then 1,000 pesos ang grocery, and then category, di ba here, sabihin natin, and then click on, you can put the description, sabihin natin Unimart, kasi yun yung isang grocery namin malapit. Click on save, and then the transaction has been saved. Total money mo, 29,000, and you'll see guys, lahat nag-add up siya dito kung magkano. Remember that everything is automated, so makita mo dito at a glimpse kung paano yung mga expense tracker mo. So that's how KK Budget works. Guys, use it for your advantage on your expense tracker, pwede mo siya gamitin, di ba? And if ever you have friends na baka gusto ng digital way, try it out. And then yung my money mo dito guys, since naglagay na tayo ng money, when you click on the I button, nandiyan yung total money mo. So you can glimpse na parang, magkano na ba yung pera mo? Ano niya yung goal mo? O yan, diba? Okay, next guys. Another function here is you have KK Bayad. KK Bayad here is your KKB, diba? Kung paano mo siya kay KKB. So here you can do a create your group. Now, sabihin natin, ito is dinner, yung group title natin dito. Nag-dinner tayo with our friend. And then, description natin is Wildflower. And then here, you have to add a member. Yung member mo dito, guys, username siya or add a guest, di ba? I recommend na mag-add a username ka because kailangan may account ka dito to be able to add a username. Because guys, it will automatically be reflected doon sa app ng friend mo na yon. If naka-guest kasi, syempre, ikaw lang may view. Pag naka-username, makikita nila. So for example, I will be adding my friend. I-blur lang natin to. It's my other account rin naman as well. Click on add group and then nandyan yung pangalan mo, di ba? Okay. And then, here, you click on create group na muna. Kasi isang member lang. Sabihin natin, dalawa lang kami ng kaibigan ko kumain. Ako at si Jax. Diba? Jax 1 and Jax 2. And here, nakita ko na yung group dinner ko, bill. Now, create an expense to add. Sabihin natin nag-wildflower. So, nandito yung bill group ko. Click on the bill group. Ito siya, diba? Dinner. Click on add expense. And then, drinks. Sabihin natin. Then, 2,000 pesos siya. And then, category is dining, and then click on continue. Makita mo dito, ikaw yung gumawa, so si Jax Reyes, payable to, ayan, and then si Jax kasama rin dapat, so nandito siya, i-include ko. If hindi kasama si Jax, you can click on the red button to X, and then click on create bill. And when you create the bill, makita mo dito, you are owed 1,000 pesos. And when you click on this group, nakita mo dito na, ito yung bill, Jax owes me 1,000 pesos. Diba? And sa app ni Jax, makita niya na may utang rin siya. So, homepage ng KK Bayad, nakita mo, you are owed 1,000 pesos. Alam mo, ay, may tao pang may utang sa'yo. Diba? Ang ganda ng feature na to. Oh, diba guys? Ang ganda. Kasi nga, kailangan ganito para madali. So, kahit saan ka, merong reminder na magbayad ka ng utang. Okay. And of course, that's KK Bayad. Now, for the guides, guys, ito lang naman is really more of guides kung paano ka, let's say, magbasa, kung ano yung gusto mong i-app. For example, kung ano may bagong promos na mga credit card na no annual fee for life, it will lead you to a website and then you will see how to apply for that credit card. If not, you can click on, let's say, low forex sheets. Kung sino mga low forex sa credit cards, nandito rin po siya. Diba? It's all guides. It's all infographics. Finlit 101, this is really about learning more about financial security, financial literacy. And guys, pinaghirapan talaga namin lahat ng mga videos rin dito. For example, Card Safety 101. Etong Card Safety, guys, tingnan mo ha, video format na to. Para diba more engaging, mas maalala mo. And you can definitely play these videos as well. For example, we're playing one right now. Syempre guys, we're just loading. And then makita nyo.
Pilipino ang bibiktima ng credit card scams. Huwag maging isa sa kanila. Alamin ang limang paraan kung paano kanila gagamitan. Number 1, email phishing. Kumukuha ng personal details sa pamamagitan ng peking email na mukhang galing sa bangko mo. Huwag mag-click sa kahit
Diba guys? So ganito po siya. And that's how you're going to use all of these different functionalities and even these mga features here. So guys, you can read through all of those financial literacy as well whenever you're using the app. So guys, in your profile page, you will see here your name and of course, your username. Ito yung username na gagamitin mo rin siya for KK Bayad, diba? Or KKB app. Now, your My Money is linked here as well. Para one glimpse rin sa profile mo na dyan. You have all of your My Cards, meaning the cards that you own. You can click on See All. You can even edit if ever you want to edit those cards as well. So guys, ikaw bahala. Then, My Favorites here is basically your favorite promos. And KKB Exclusive is exclusive promos of KKBs. For now, wala pa siya. So yung My Favorites, how do you add one? If you see here, di ba when you click on a like here, diba, the heart dyan sa mga promos, you will now see it dito sa My Favorites mo. So, it's like saving your favorite promos that you can go back to. And last but not the least, nandito yung help and support. Help and support, lahat ng hotline, emails ng mga bangko, that is partners that we have official rin, especially mga PNP, cybercrime investigation, nandito siya. Para you can automatically click the button, call right away. Guys, again, we're making everything very easy and yun talaga yung goal for the app as well. So guys, that is basically almost it, diba? Ganun siya ang haba ng video to learn more about the Kaskasan Buddies mobile app for you to use, for you to explore, and of course, guys, lahat siya libre. So if ever, please share. Share the word, share nyo sa friends nyo. We are so much happy kung mas marami pang gumamit rin ng app na to. And of course, guys, if you have other features that you might want to see here, malay mo, we can definitely add. Please, guys, hindi pa namin siya officially na launch. Nasa beta pa rin tayo na stage. Almost 6 months na tayo nagbe-beta stage dito because there are so many improvements of the app that's happening. And we appreciate your patience and of course your care to all the buddies that have tried it, that even sends us comments sa paano siya i-improve. Maraming salamat. Again guys, medyo mahaba na yung video na to but I hope this is a comprehensive video for you to be able to use your Kaskasan Buddies mobile app and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys!